want to tell you a story about crashing my Porsche into a rock and how much it cost to fix. So the day was going great, the drive was pumping, it was good speed. We had the Paddington Outlaw and Tom Williams up the front setting a cracking pace in his black on black 930 turbo. It was fun, it was a good drive. And the boys were chasing each other. I kind of got stuck behind a couple of cars. I thought it's probably time just to turn off and chill out. Yeah, I did that. I was just cruising, kind of like I am now, just relaxed, looking around and stuff. And then I slammed into a rock. The rock was on the road. I just smashed into it. It came right at my feet. Took a huge gouge out of the steel tank. Hit the cross member and exploded into the floor. The pedals moved underneath my feet. The car went up into the air once it hit the cross member. This cross member is this huge piece of steel, kind of like this. Just dug underneath, smashed into that, smashed all the way through down the back of the car. And everything was stuck on. So I hit this rock and destroyed my car. So I'm on the side of the road thinking, what do I do? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Here's a map of where I am compared to where I live. It's a significant distance from home. And I think I've broken the car. I'm looking underneath, there's no liquids or anything coming out. I can't believe that the fuel tank didn't burst. So I just turned it off. Hitting the brake and the clutch kind of popped the accelerator back out. Anyway, I decided just to move to try and drive the car somewhere, get it off the side of the road. I could see a sign saying that there was a general store or some kind of place up further. So I limped it up the road and pulled in and and asked to use their phone because there was no mobile service. Happy days. So the guy was nice enough to let me use the phone, but I couldn't get anyone that could help me really. So I went back out to the car and lay down on the ground underneath, trying to see what was going on. And I'm lying on the ground trying to look underneath the car. I couldn't really see much. The car was quite low. And a car drives up next to me. A Cayenne, in fact. I roll over and I can see that Porsche. It's Porsche wheels with Auto House Hamilton written down the side. And Grant Geelan gets out and says, "You stopped." I said, "Yes." I said, "I think I hit something. I may have crashed into the road." I tell Grant the story and he asks his wife to get out his tools. It's a 30-degree day. Stinking hot, the ground's hot, and he just gets on the ground and sees that there's nothing really going on underneath. Something's been hit. He feels around down there and he goes, "Yeah, you've hit something, the floor's moved a bit," and he starts pulling the pedal box apart and getting rid of the carpet. And he gets a hammer out and an extension and just kind of bangs the floor down a bit to get clearance for the pedal box, so the accelerator would stop hitting, would stop catching on like a carbon fiber shield. And yeah, look, he gets this going again. So I was totally wrecked. It was great to have him come along and try and find out what was wrong, because I really had no idea what the hell was going on. I didn't know if the car was drivable, if it was safe. It took a hell of a knock. So he said, you go ahead and I'll follow you, and the pub is just a few k's up the road, the destination of the drive, so why don't we just keep going? It never entered his head that I would turn around and go home, or that was it, me done for the day. He wanted me to continue on, which I thought was really cool. Thank you, Grant, for saving me that day. So yeah, look, that was the day. This is the boathouse. We're gonna get some refreshments here. Fed and watered. Where were we up to in the story? 23 grand it cost to hit that rock. Let's get you a bit straighter. But that's what insurance is for, right? I think about 21 of it got approved. So the whole underside of the tray was fixed up and then treated with the factory coating. And everything that got damaged, new parts all the way through. The steel tank was beyond repair. So, but we were lucky enough to find a 73 RS official Porsche plastic tank, which looks amazing, which is awesome. So we got that in the front. Reconditioned pedal box and new front bar, new heat exchangers. I'm not sure if there's a new cross member or the cross member was just fixed up and painted. It took a while, but you know, cars take a long time to fix. Okay, that's the end of the vlog. That my day ended with me driving back from the Wallamai pub, flanked by two wingmen, John and David. In the yellow and red 911s, cruising back home. Thanks very much for your help and looking after us. Make sure we get home okay. If you like these vids, give us a like and subscribe. It'd be great to have you, and we'll be making more. So look out for the next one, and thanks for watching.